Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to swap a list of elements using pop function. So let's start the tutorial. Now the command is py swap element of pop.py. When I click enter, notice that I got the original list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After swapping the list elements, the first element at the last, and the last element is came to first.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials, and here it is. Our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, inside this folder, I will create one new Python file called swap elements pop.py. Using pop, I want to swap the list of elements. So, my aim is how to swap the list of elements using pop function in Python. So first I am declaring one variable list1 to create a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's print first the original list of items. The original list is equals to list1. Now after that, now here one condition, when we want to swap the elements, we have to consider the index of the element, not the value of the element. For example, I want to swap the first and last elements. 6 I want to get the first element and 1 will be the last element. I want to swap the two elements. Just for understanding purpose, I am using this first and last element only I am taking. So I am declaring one variable x is equals to 1. Here 1 means what? 0. What I told, we have to consider the index of the element. Index starts with 0. Here I am writing index starts with 0. So the list of element, the list 1 of 1 value index is 0 here. Now y is equals to second variable element 6 means I am adding 5. Why 5? Index starts with 0. We need to consider the index. Based on the index I am swapping the values. 0 is 1, 1 is 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's start this one, copy this one. The list of 6 values index is 5. Now after that, first we need to remove using pop method. I am declaring one variable a is equals to list1 dot pop. The pop removes an item based on the index. So x I am adding. Now what happened here? It removed the list one element, one value from this list 1, because the pop function it removes the element, and I have ordered that element, the removed element, in the A. Then y is equals to list1 b. Sorry, this one is b. Y is already we declared now here. B is equals to list1 dot pop. Now y minus 1. Y is 5 only, but y minus 1 means, because in our A condition we have removed the item 1. Now 0 is 2 here. Now there is no more 1 here in this list 1. 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the value of the index of 6 is 4. Then we need to insert these A and B values to the list element, list1 dot insert method. Insert method takes the object of the integer value. The method takes two parameters, first the index, second the object. The index is x and the object is b. So in x place I want to place b, list1 dot insert, and y place I want to add a. If you notice here b contains y, a contains x. Here x contains b, y contains a. I am swapping the variables. Now final output print after swapping the list elements is equals to list 1. I want to print the list 1. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all, go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. Now the command is py swap element of pop.py. When I click enter, notice that I got the original list is 1 2 3 4 5 6. After swapping the list elements, the first element at the last, and the last element is came to first. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to swap the variables using pop functionality. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.